Now you're going to start learning how to code your SpiderBot. So go to Arduino Blocks, make sure you're logged in, and click Start New Project. We'll start a new personal project. Over here, make sure your project type is Arduino Nano. Let's call this Spider Dance. New project. So the first thing we're going to do is build some functions. Go to Functions and grab To Do Something. Let's call this first function Center Servos. This will serve as a default position for our servos.
In the default position, all the pins will be at 90 degrees.
To control our servos, we'll go down to Motor. Grab this block here, Servo Pin, and drag it underneath Center Servos. When setting the default position for any of our servos, the angle is going to be 90, since that's the middle position. We also don't want our delay to be this big, so let's change it to 50. Now we want to change all 8 of our servo pins, right? So we're going to need 7 more servo pin commands. All of them should be the same. Just click Duplicate, or drag more copies of the servo pin block, and change it for every number. This should go up from 2 to 9. And there you have it, your Center Servos function. The next functions we're going to build is our lean functions. So go back to Functions, grab another block, and let's call this one Lean Left. This one's going to be a little different. We're also going to control our servo pins with this one. So go back to Motor and grab one more servo pin block. When we're leaning left, we only control the feet of our SpiderBot. So we only need 4 servo pin commands. We'll start at 3. And the angle we want to set the first pin to, since we're leaning left, is 15. Duplicate another copy, and change this one to 5. Now we need 2 more of these, so duplicate 2 more, and change it to 7 and 9. Now for these last 2, we don't want the angles to also be 15. After all, to lean left, one side has to go up and one side has to go down. So let's change this one to 150. Remember, we also don't want our delays to be too long, so let's change all the delays to 0. And now you've completed your lean left function.
Pin 3 controls front left, pin 5 controls back left, pin 7 controls back right, and pin 9 controls front right. Setting the angle to 15 makes the leg go down, and setting the angle to 150 makes the leg go up. That's why we set our 2 left pins to 15. Now using this information, you're going to try and make a lean right function by yourself.